Hello everyone. We are going to start the exercise 2A of new syllabus mathematics, book 1. Question number 1. Express each fraction in simplest form. So part A is 9 by 81. So we need to convert into simplest form. So see which number divides both denominator as well as numerator. Here we know that 9 divides denominator as well as numerator. So after dividing by 9 9 and 18, so we can write that this is divided by 9 and divided by 9. So this is the simplest form. Part B, that is 10 by 12. So both numerator as well as denominator are divisible by 2. So dividing by 2, this will be 6, this will be 5. So we can write divided by 2 and dividing by 2. So this is the simplest form. Part C is 36 by 90, 36 by 90. So this is both are divisible by 9. So 9 tens are and 9 fours are 36, and again this is divisible by 2. So this we divided by 9 and divided by 9, and again that is equal to 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4. So this is dividing by 2 and dividing by 2. So this is answer. 2 by 5 is answer. Part D is 56 by 84. So see which number divides both denominator as well as numerator. So it is divisible by 4. So 4 2s are 8, 4 1s are 4, 4 1s are 4, 4 4s are 16. So this is divided by 4, divided by 4. Again both numbers are divisible by 7. So 7 3s are 21, 7 2s are 14. So this is this by divided by 7 and divided by 7. So this is the simplest form, 2 by 3. Question number 2 is compare the following pairs of numbers. Compare the following pairs of numbers. Pairs of numbers with the symbols greater than, equal to, or less than. This is greater than, and this is less than, and this is equal. This is equal to. So 2 by 5, we need to compare 2 by 5 and 11 by 20. So make the denominator same, like suppose if we multiply this fraction denominator by 4, we will get 20, and so we can write this fraction multiply by 4. This is 20, 4 2s are 8, and this is 11 by 20. And we can see that if denominators are same, like, then it is very easy to decide for us that which one is greater, equal, or less than. Now 8 is 8 is less than 11, so we can write the whole fraction will be less than. This is the answer. Part B is 3 by 16, 3 by 16, 15 by 80, 15 by 80. We need to compare the two fractions. Now multiply with this fraction by 5, we will get the 80. So we need to make the same denominator. So 16 into 5, this will be 80. And if we multiplied this one denominator by 5, we have to multiply by the same number numerator as well. So 5 3s are 15, and this is 15 over 80. And it is very easy, we can compare, the fractions are equal. Now part C is, this is 2 by 3, 2 by 3 and 5 by 8. Now here we cannot multiply, only one fraction. We have to multiply both we have to make the equal denominator for both the fraction. So we have to multiply this fraction by 3 and this fraction by 8. When the denominators are different and prime numbers, when the denominators are different, we have to make like cross multiplication, that this fraction will be multiplied by 8 and this will be by 3. So multiplying 3 into 8, this will be 24, this will be 16, and this by 3, 8 3s are 24, 3 5s are 15. And now we can compare easily that this fraction is bigger. That means we can write that 2 by 3 is greater than 5 by 8. Actually, if we see the part A and B, there is also, if this is less, so we have to put here actually less 2 by 5 is less than 11 by 12, and this is equal, so we have to make here also equal. So actually we need to tell the original fractions, that whether they are equal, less than, or greater than. So I put the sign with the original fraction as well. Now part D is question part D is 13 by 18 and 10 by 12. So actually here we need to find the LCM, least common multiple, which is 36. So LCM is a number for which the every number divides the LCM from which the LCM is calculated. So 36 is LCM of 18 and 72. So if you want to write 18 factorization, that is 2 into 3 raised to power 2, and for 12 2 raised to power 2 into 3. So LCM will be equal to this will be highest power of 2, and here highest power of 3, that is 4 into 9 equal to 36. So now because both numbers are different numbers and we found the LCM, make the denominator equal to LCM. So 18 into 2, So this will be 36 by multiplying 2, and this will be 26, and this will be multiplied by 3, 36. This will be 30. Now we can decide, because denominator are same like, so this is less than. So for original fraction we will write this is less than. We can also write this is less than. So question number 3 is convert each mixed number into an improper fraction in its simplest form. So part A is 12 whole 2 by 3. So this is mixed number, and we multiply the whole number and denominator. 36 and plus 2, this is 38. So numerator will be 38 divided by 3. So again multiply 12 into 3, 36 plus 2, 38, 33. This is the answer, and it is in simplest form because these are already simplified in the simplified form. So this is answer. Part B is this is 4 into 8, 32 plus 3, 35, 35 over 8. Again this is a answer. Part C is 5 whole 4 over 6. 5 into 6, 30 plus 4, 30 plus 4, 34 divided by 6. It is not in simplest form, so divisible by both the fraction, both the numbers are divisible by 2. So that is equal to 2 into 3, 3, and this is 17. So it is dividing by 2, and this is also dividing by 2. So this is answer. Fraction D, 9 whole 72 over 81, that is equal to, so multiply by 9 with 81, then add 72, it is 801 divided by 81. Again it can be simplified, it is divisible by 9, so 9 is 81, and this is so by dividing 9 by divide by 9. So this is the answer. Now question number 4 is these are improper, converting improper to mixed number. This is improper. If the numerator is bigger than the denominator, this is a improper fraction. So we need to make it a mixed number. Divide 35 by 2. So 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, this is 1, 115, 2 sevens are 14, 1. So the answer is equal to 17 whole 1 by 2. This 17 whole number 1 by 2. This is a mixed number. Part B is 21 by 14. So 21 divided by 14, 14 ones are 14, 11 minus 4, that is 7. So this is equal to 1 whole, this is whole number, 1 whole 7 over 14. And now this denominator and numerator are divisible by 7, so we can write equal to, this is one whole number, and 7 twos are 14, 7 ones are 7. So we can divide this denominator and numerator, and this is the answer. Part C is 50 by 6, or even we can simplify before dividing it, but both are okay, no problem, both methods are okay. So if we divide 50 by 6, 6 8s are 48, 10 minus 8, that is 2, so 8 whole, 2 by 6, and 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6, that is equal to 8, 1 by 3. This is answer. Part D is 30 by 18. So 30 divided by 18, 18 ones are 18. So 10 minus 8, that is 2, here left 2, that is 1. So this is equal to 1 whole 12 by 18, and both denominator and numerator are divisible by 6. So 6 threes are 6 twos are. So this is equal to 1 whole 2 by 3. This is the answer. Now in question number 5, we need to compare the number, these two numbers are given, with the less than, greater than, or equal to. So here, because both numbers have one whole number, we can ignore for the time being this number, whole number. So we compare 4 by 12 and 1 by 3. So we can easily make this 312 by multiplying with the 4. So this is 4 by 12 as it is, or even we can simplify this 4 by 12. So I am making by multiplying 4 and this multiply 4. So now denominator are same, and we know that numerators are also equal. So numbers are equal. We can write this as equal. And what about part B of the question? So part B is 1 whole 2 by 3. Need to compare with 1 whole 9 by 12. Again, whole numbers are same, so we can ignore this one. Check 2 by 3 and 9 by 12. And we can multiply with 4 to get the same denominator. So this will be 12. This is 8, 9 by 12. And no denominators are same. We can easily see that 8 by 12 is less than this 9 by 12. So it means this whole fraction will be less than this one. Part C of question number 5, 2 whole 12 by 54 and 2 whole 6 by 27. Again, whole numbers are same. We can ignore them for solving the question. 12 by 54 and 6 by 27. So now we know that by multiplying denominator by 2, we will get the 54, same denominator. So write this as it is, 54, and this is multiplied by 2. So this will be 12 over 54. Now these are equal, so we can easily put here fractions equal. Now part D is 70 over 12, 17 over 3. So make this denominator same. multiply with the 4, 70 over 12 as it is, and this is 4 3s are 12, and this is 68. So now it is obviously now 70, this is greater, so this is greater sign, greater than sign. Now part E of this question number 5, 11 by 7 and 19 by 12. So here denominators are entirely different. So we have to multiply this fraction by 12 and this by 7. We have to multiply this denominator as well as numerator with the 12, and this both numbers, denominator and numerator, with the 7. So this will be 84, 12 ones are 12. So multiply both with the 12, and for this fraction this will be multiplied by 7. So 84 and 7, 63, 6, 13, 133. So now denominators are same, so it means less than. So this sign will be less than. This is answer. And part F is 11 by 9 and 77 by 63. So multiply this fraction by 7, 63, and this is 77, and 77 divided by 63. So these are equal fractions. Part G is 1 whole 1 by 2 and 12 by 8. So this is 1 whole 1 by 2 in whole number, and make this also in mixed number like this. So if we divide 12 by 8, 8 ones are 8, that is 4. So this is 1 whole 4 by 8, or we can write 1 whole 1 by 2, and this is 1 whole 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 1 by 2. So these are equal fractions, so we can write here these are equal. And last part of this question, 7 whole 4 by 7 and 105 over 14. So make this also a mixed number. So 105 over 14. So this is 14 sevens are 98, and this is 7. So we can write this is 7 4 by 7, and this is 7 whole 7 by 14. So now whole numbers are equal, we can ignore this one, and this is 4 by 7, 4 by 7 and 7 by 14. We can easily make this 4 by 7, this 7 14. So multiply by 2, this will be 8 over 14, and this is 7 over 14. So now this 8 is greater than 7, so we can write this fraction will be greater than this one. This is the answer.